5 key things to check before buying a used transmission. Welcome to Beelines Automotive. Are you thinking about buying a used transmission, engine, or other auto parts? Today, we're breaking down the 5 key things you must check before investing in a used transmission so your ride stays smooth and your wallet stays happy. Let's dive right in. Check for leaks and visual damage. Before anything else, inspect the transmission for leaks. Add some fluid and see if it drips out. Leaks are a red flag and can signal bigger internal problems. Also, look for visible signs of damage like cracks, rust, or worn-out seals. A clean, leak-free transmission is a positive sign it's been cared for. Mileage matters. Low mileage usually means less wear and a longer lifespan. Always ask for the mileage on the used transmission. If possible, verify it through the donor vehicle's VIN or service records. Don't just take the seller's word. Documentation is key. Service and maintenance history. A well-maintained transmission is a reliable transmission. Ask for service records or any history of repairs and rebuilds. Regular maintenance, like fluid changes, can make a huge difference in performance and longevity. If the seller can't provide this, it's a warning sign. If you're finding these tips helpful, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on expert advice for buying used auto parts. Test drive or bench test. If possible, test drive the vehicle with the transmission installed. Pay attention to how it shifts. Are there any delays, slipping, or odd noises? If a test drive isn't possible, ask if the transmission has been bench tested for functionality. Smooth shifting and quiet operation are what you want. Warranty and return policy. Never buy a used transmission without understanding the warranty and return policy. Reputable sellers will offer at least a limited warranty. This protects you in case the transmission has hidden issues after installation. Always read the fine print and know your options. Still with us? Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and guides on used engines, transmissions, and all auto parts. Got questions or need help finding the right part? Drop them in the comments below. Why buy used engines and parts? Buying used engines and transmissions isn't just about saving money. Rather, it is eco-friendly and, with the right checks, can give you performance close to new. Always buy from reputable sellers, confirm compatibility, and ask for maintenance records just like you would for transmissions. Reach out to Beelines Automotive. Ready to upgrade your ride or need help choosing the right used transmission or engine? Contact Beelines Automotive today. Toll free, 855-475-5657. Email, info@beelinesautomotive.com. Website, beelinesautomotive.com. Visit our website for the best deals on quality used auto parts, engines, and transmissions. Thanks for watching. Drive safe and see you in the next video.